Now, Tony, you ready to go?
Yup.
Right, so how did they make the walls here?
Well, they started off with the chalk, the local limestone. Right?
Okay.
If you take that and you heat it in the kiln until it's red hot,
Yeah.
it loses a lot of weight,
Yes.
and it becomes what's called quicklime.
Okay.
It's called quick because it's very reactive.
Okay, so what does that look like?
Well, it looks exactly the same, but
Right.
we've got the specimen here which has been crushed,
Okay. and
if we take that and we add water to it, you'll see what happens.
Okay, so one shovelful.
Well, let's put a couple of
Okay,
shovels.
you're
Let's
on.
be generous.
How much water?
Oh, enough to make it just look wet at the
Okay.
moment. It's now boiling. You can see that? Look.
Yes.
It's actually boiling. There's steam coming off it. And what's happening is that the weight which was lost, which was carbon dioxide, is now being replaced with water. And that is the stuff that the Romans used to mix with sand. You mix that with sand, and that produces your mortar.
Right, so this is now slaked lime.
That's now slaked lime, hydrated lime. It's now a lime mortar. It's a bit wet, actually, isn't it? What they used to do was take one part of that
Right.
to 3 parts of sand.
So if I
normally.
take three, so that would make the sort of mortar they've used here.
The sort of mortar.
And shall I start mixing it?
Oh yes, please do. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Lime mortar was widely used with flint or other rocks, but the Romans came up with another ingredient that turned it into quick-setting concrete.
what the Romans discovered was that they had a volcanic ash, which came from Puteoli,
Right.
which is north of Naples.
Yep.
There are other places it comes from, and that's some of the stuff.
This stuff?
there. Yes. Then you get a mixture which will set all by itself, and it'll even set underwater.
In fact, water is a vital part of the chemical reaction which turns this into a solid.
So we're going to fill this mould you've made,
Yeah, we haven't got enough there to fill it up, but
No, but we can start.
for a start. There you are.
and then we can make a triumphal arch.
We hope. Yeah.
So, by adding volcanic ash, the Romans had hit upon the secret of fast-setting concrete, which, like its modern equivalent, also sets underwater.
What made ape man human? Was it a change of diet? The prehistory season continues, tracing our evolution next on You.